In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members to your Trello boards. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. On the main page, look for the login option, usually located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a variety of methods to log in. We'll make it simple by choosing the Google option. Click on Google and then you'll be prompted to select your Google account if you haven't linked your account yet. Once you've selected the account, you may need to verify with your password or a two-factor authentication code, depending on your security settings. With your Trello account open, direct your attention to your workspace area where all your boards are located. You're going to want to find the Members tab. This is where all your workspace members are listed and where you can manage them accordingly. Click on it. You should now see an overview of all current members within your Trello workspace. Now that you're in the Members tab, locate the option to invite new members to the workspace. This part is crucial as it opens up collaboration opportunities on your boards. Look for a button or a link that says Invite Workspace Members. Click on it, and a new section or a pop-up will greet you, ready to welcome new members. Next, you'll have to input some details. Specifically, you'll need to type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure that you're entering a valid email address to avoid errors in sending out the invite. Once you've perfectly typed out the email address, Trello will usually recognize it and present it among a list of suggestions. From here, it's simple. Click on the correct email address from the suggestions list. This step helps ensure that Trello registers the invite accurately to the contact you intend. It's a straightforward verification to check that you're inviting the right person and prevents unintended invites. Finally, with all the details in place, the last thing you need to do is click on Send Invite. This action will send an email invitation to the address you specified, inviting them to join your Trello workspace. The person will receive an email with further instructions on how to accept the invitation and become part of your Trello team. And that's it, you've successfully invited a new member to your Trello boards, paving the way for efficient collaboration with your team. As you can see, the process is remarkably intuitive, allowing you to expand your workspace with ease. Now just sit back and let Trello take care of the rest. They'll guide your invitee on how to accept and join your boards seamlessly. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.